Hi, this is Jackie. I'm doing a smoky eye with a dusty pink using the Venus 3 palette from Lime Crime. I will be using the beloved shadow palette in the crease of my eye using a fluffy brush, a blending brush just in the crease of the eyelid, back and forwards in a windscreen wiper motion. I'll keep adding a bit of pigment until I get the desired effect I'm looking for. Right, so now I'm going to use an eyeshadow brush for the darker color on the edge of the lid, and that is going to be Ecstasy. So I'm going to be doing a C motion on the edge of the lid, popping a bit of Ecstasy at the end of the blended shadow color, and again just making sure I blend in nicely using the eyeshadow brush, normal eyeshadow brush. Now I'm going to be using color Rapture on the inner part of my eyelid, just for a bit of highlight on the inner side. So going about halfway in the eye, on the eyelid, and then also up towards the brow. Right, I'm wetting my shadow brush with a bit of setting spray so that I can get a glitter shimmer on the eyelid. And I'm now going to be using Heavenly on the middle of my eyelid, so literally above the pupil, and just making sure my brush is wet and dropping a bit of that glitter onto the lid. Right, I'm going to use a darker black, it's actually a brow palette, and pop a little bit of black pigment towards the end of my eye for a little bit more drama and a little bit more smokiness. I'm lining underneath the eye as well with the black shadow from the brow palette, and I'm making sure that my shadow is blended in using the fluffy brush again so that there are no harsh edges. I'm now using the white highlighter from my brow palette just to highlight the brow bone right below the eyebrow. And then just adding some mascara. No eyeliner done today, just a double application of mascara, and that is my smoky dusty pink eye look for the day. There we go.